Hello guys! Let me show you some inspiration for creating your own sensorimotor carpet. I made this one for my friend's ergotherapy practice and for the kids who goes for the therapy to exercise there. Sensorimotor and barefoot carpet is a great tool to stimulate reflex zones on your feet. There is a perfect balance of hard and smooth materials to train motor skills, sense of balance, and tactile stimulation of the feet. The uneven surface train and strengthen the arches of one's feet, helps to improve awareness of body in space and body posture. Especially this one is made in a very colorful and playful way, so it can be still fun for kids, maintain their natural sense for imagination, and it's nice educational toy as well. I simply bought most of the materials or found it outside in the nature. You can use anything you want, depends on your style and design you want to achieve. You only need to use your imagination, design it, and then glue it all together. It takes time, but it's so much fun and definitely worth the process.